Yes, you absolutely can use other brands of filament with your Robo 3D printers. It is important that you make sure you have the correct diameter of filament, so it must be 1.75 millimeters, and that you're choosing a filament that's compatible with your specific printer. Now, the Robo E3 Pro is compatible with a wide range of 3D printing filaments, whereas the E3 typically prefers to just stick with PLA. It is compatible with ABS as well, though we recommend PLA on this machine. Once you've found filament from other manufacturers, you may notice that they come in a variety of shapes and sizes of their spools. And so it may not immediately look like it fits with your 3D printer. However, to enable teachers to use their 3D printers with other filament, we have even provided a collection of 3D printable models designed that will allow you to adapt your 3D printer for different spools of plastic. You can see I'm actually using one right now on my E3 Pro. And to adjust my E3, I would simply find the compatible spool holder and slide it on for the E3 as well. Now you may run into a few extra layers of friction or anything like that when you're using an exterior filament holder like this one, but it does allow you to use that filament. So do so with a grain of salt that you may not get the same quality of results as you do with our filament, simply because the spool is designed to fit on this machine. To find these 3D printable adaptations, however, if you have a MyStemKits account, you can simply search the word Robo in the search bar to find our Robo 3D printer kit, and attached to this kit are a wide range of test models such as keychains and things like that you can print, as well as the spool adapters that are designed to fit on our various models of 3D printer. Thanks so much for asking.